Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
He pours vinegar on toast and reveals a trick everyone should know. Vinegar is usually used for cooking, but it is packed with numerous other benefits. It can be very helpful ingredient around the house. Hence, we decided to present you some amazing life hacks with vinegar. Amazing vinegar life hacks. Deodorizes the trash can. If you want to have a fresh trash can, you should soak a piece of bread with vinegar and leave it inside the trash can overnight. The next day, your trash can will smell fresh. No more clogged sinks. In order to clean the clogged skin, you should pour a cup of vinegar and a half cup of baking soda in the sink. Finish by washing the sink with tap water. Removes sticky residues. You can clean sticky residues with vinegar. Thus, spray a moderate amount of vinegar on the area and leave it to act for several minutes. Then, scrub it and the residue will be gone. It is an all-purpose cleaner. Instead of buying many cleaners, you should use vinegar. Hence, mix vinegar with water and add a little amount of dishwashing liquid. Use it to clean your house. Eliminates fruit flies. You can now get rid of the flies in your home with the use of vinegar. Fill a glass of vinegar and cover it with a plastic wrap. Then, put small holes on top, and flies will be trapped in the cup. Great for wrinkled clothes. You should combine 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water, and spray it on your clothes. After several minutes, the results will surprise you. Save your bed from a cat scratch. You should spray some vinegar on your sofa and you will save it from cat scratch because cats hate vinegar. Extend plants' life. Prepare a mixture of vinegar with water and make your plants and flowers live longer. Cleans eyeglasses. You should only spray vinegar on your favorite eyeglasses and wipe it out with a soft cloth. This will provide a crystal clear surface.